Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 game not released error in Steam. So if you're getting this error, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to untick Battlefield Multiplayer HD Marker and Battlefield Multiplayer Marker DLCs. So open Steam, go to library, then click on Battlefield 6. I don't have Battlefield 6 game, so I am showing the step with another game. So you have to click on Battlefield 6, then scroll down and under DLC click on manage my DLC, and here you will see this option. So here you have to untick Battlefield Multiplayer HD Marker and Battlefield Multiplayer Marker. So if you are seeing these two options checked mark, then simply untick both the option. Both of these DLCs are ticked marks, so untick them and then just hit retry on downloads and it will fix the problem. Now this fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But still, if your problem is not solved, then fix 2 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6. This is just an example I'm showing with another game, and then select properties, then go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch Battlefield 6 and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last fix is to log out and log in to Steam. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on sign out. This will sign out from your Steam account, and then relaunch Steam, then log into your account and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix Battlefield 6 game not released error on Steam. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.